Hey boys and girls, welcome to Art Recycled with Mrs. Hollemeyer. Today we are going to be making hearts, and we are going to be making hearts out of found objects. So in other words, things that we find outside our house or inside our house. We're not going to be drawing the hearts, and we're not going to be painting the hearts. Now I know you might be thinking, but what if I don't know how to make a heart? Don't worry, later in the video I'll show you how to make a very gentle outline of a heart that you can fill in with an object that you find around your house or outside. Now boys and girls, in this picture I use shaving cream, and I just want to say something. Before you use something messy like food or something that could kind of spread around, you may want to ask the adult friend that you're with what you can use for your project, because as you can see in this video coming up, you don't want the adult friend to walk into the room and find you playing with a bunch of shaving cream or salt or something messy all over the table, and then they get super upset at you because you made a huge mess. So be creative, boys and girls. What can you find around your house to make your hearts with? Toothpicks, Q-tips that are cut up? I bet your creativity can make some pretty cool things. Hey boys and girls, I'm quickly going to show you how to draw a heart. This may help you be able to fill whatever you have at home, your found objects. I have some rocks here, so that you have a clear shape that you can fill those things into, okay? So you're just gonna need a pencil and a piece of paper. The first thing I want you to do is I want you to make me 2 dots. So I want you to make me 1 dot kind of a little bit up around the page, and then I want you to make the second dot, I want you to go straight down below that dot and make me a second one more towards the bottom of the page. Now a heart, boys and girls, basically goes up, 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 and out, and then it curves and it goes back down to the bottom dot, and it does that on both sides. So I want you to touch your pencil to the top dot. I want you to go up and to the right. You're going up diagonally to the right. Now you're gonna make a big turn, and you're gonna head back down to the bottom dot. Now all you're doing is you're doing the same thing on the other side. Start back at the center dot. I want you to go up, 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 and diagonally out to the left. Now turn around, make a big turn, and go back to the bottom dot. And there's my heart, boys and girls. And now I can take my Q-tips or blueberries or my rocks or whatever I have, and I can fill them into the outline of my heart. Drawing your heart a little bit bigger, boys and girls, will make it a little easier to fill it in with whatever you find at home. Now, boys and girls, it's come time to take a picture of your art. When you take a picture of your heart, you want to make sure you only get the heart. In other words, you don't want to take a photograph where I see your whole living room or a whole room like you see here. You want to get really close to that heart so that it's a nice, clear image for you to send me in Seesaw.